Piston's been delivered. Let's go have a look. There it is. Man, I've been waiting for this. All right, let's get this back to the recovery room, open it up and compare good with bad. You can probably hear in my voice that I'm sick, but I'm not gonna let that stop me from getting this back to the recovery room, unboxing it, comparing against the other one, and I really hope that I can just get it in and everything goes smoothly. And I really, really, really want to make sure that that casing that we repaired doesn't fail again. And I think that getting this in and testing it, that's the only way to see if that's gonna happen or not. Okay, let's open up our box and see, I'm so excited, see what this is looking like. Come on. Open sesame. Get rid of the noodles. Wow, good packing, very good packing. There she is. Let's take a closer look. So let's have a look at what we've got here. So, even though this is shinier, this is actually the old piston. And you can see here where that ring's quite clearly broken off and just basically fused itself in there. There's lots, I don't know if you'll be able to see it, but there's lots of little cracks that were through there. This, however, is our gem. This is what I've been waiting for. So this is the new, to me, piston. All the rings are all moving around. They're all nice and free, and oh, it's so exciting to get this. I'm so happy. I actually wasn't expecting to get a new pin and retainers. So I'm really happy I've got that, because I do have the old one next to me here, but it's always good to use hardware that has come from something that's been in life and been used before. So I'm gonna get stuck into giving the frame a clean, hit it with the hot wash, give it a really, really thorough cleaning with some hot water, and then put this back together, and fingers crossed, I really hope that my repair works. But the only way I'm gonna know is by getting this in and getting it all put back together again. So let's jump onto it. Not a massive difference on camera, but that's been hot washed now and most of the grease and grime's off. Much better. It's so clean, this surface, it's amazing. Oh, that went through really easy. Beautiful. That's on. That one's on. Did it go in the right spot though? Always worries me. The rings don't go in the right spot. That's the right spot. Come on, baby. Come up. Oh, it's on. Good beauty. All right, get that off there. Come on. Just let that sit there for a second. Okay. I'm the wrong way around completely. I've put it on the wrong way around. Idiot. I have to take it off. Oh no, there we go. It's turning. It's turning. I think we're like there almost. So we're in. 2 weeks ago, this piston and these rings were my biggest problem for this project. But I've got the new piston in and the rings, and it feels good, let me tell you that. So where's this at now? I wish I could try and start this in this episode, but I'm not going to be able to because I don't have the bowl for the carburetor or the atomizer. Now I've been able to find somewhere that does have one. It's the same place where I got that piston from, and they are a really great bunch of people. I've been on the phone with them and they do have one, so that's super exciting. Like I said, I would have loved to start this in this episode because I really don't know if this repair is going to hold or not. I'd like to think it will. A few people commented on the last video and said it'll be fine, but you never know until you know. And until I start this and it runs and we don't blow another hole in the side of the cylinder again or the water jacket, you just can't say it's done. You can't put that bang, tick of approval. So I'm going to leave it here for this one. What I'm going to do in the meantime, in the next video, is I've obviously hot washed this whole chassis. I'm going to prime it and I'm going to paint it so that way when we get the atomizer for that carburetor, or the fuel bowl rather for that carburetor, we can just put all this back together, give this one big and away she'll go, and this project will be pretty much done. So thanks for watching. If you like what you see, please feel free to subscribe and like the video. It does make a huge difference for me on the back end when people like and share the video. Gets such a wider audience, and it makes a huge difference. So it makes me happy to think as well that people are enjoying the content that I make. So I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Hopefully this will start. Fingers crossed this repair holds. We'll see you then.